Get ready to witness the extreme power and speed of the fastest big chainsaw cutting tree machines in action. In this video, we bring you some of the biggest heavy equipment machines working in forestry, featuring large circular saws, industrial wood chippers, and equipment for chopping firewood. Now let's get started. Number 1. Rotor S Stump Crusher. The John Deere 7730 and Rotor S Stump Crusher form a powerful combination for land clearing tasks, particularly in forestry operations where stump removal is a major concern. The tractor provides the necessary power and mobility, while the Rotor S Crusher handles the physical destruction of stumps. It is typically used in forestry, land clearing, and agricultural applications where stumps need to be removed quickly and completely. Number 2. Brooks 1006 PT Chipper. The Brooks 1006 PT chipper is a heavy-duty mobile wood chipper, primarily used for producing fuel chips and microchips from energy wood, forest residues, full-length trees, and logs. It is designed to handle both softwood and hardwood, with a maximum diameter of 60 cm for softwood and 50 cm for hardwood. The 1006 PT model is typically mounted on a truck chassis, with the chipper being powered by the truck's engine, providing efficient and seamless operation. The chipper features a robust drum design with high torque performance, allowing it to process large volumes of material. Number 3. Menyuk M545 Mulcher. This mulcher, which is often paired with the M350X, is an attachment used for clearing vegetation, including stumps and brush. It's designed to handle tough forestry tasks with precision. The Merlo M350X is a high-performance forestry tractor designed for demanding tasks like land clearing, forest management, and heavy-duty applications. It features a Deutz 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine with 250 kW of power, hydrostatic transmission, and permanent four-wheel drive. Number 4. Menyuk M545. The Menyuk M545 with MVD head is a powerful and efficient tool for tree removal. The grapple can securely hold trees, while the saw cuts them down safely. Clearing debris, the grapple can be used to pick up and move branches, logs, and other debris. The M545 is one of the most powerful models, known for its versatility, strength, and ability to adapt to different environments with adjustable legs, hydraulic systems, and various attachments. Number 5. TigerCat 2000. TigerCat 2000 is a specific model of forestry machinery, particularly a bunching shear. It's designed to be attached to a feller buncher and is used in the process of harvesting trees. It uses powerful shears to cut down trees. It's designed for efficient cutting and bunching, increasing productivity in forestry operations. After cutting, it gathers the felled trees into a bundle for easier handling and transportation. Number 6. Woodcracker SE250. The Woodcracker SE250 is a forestry tool designed for felling, cutting, and handling trees or large branches. It can cut trees with a diameter of up to 25 cm, depending on the tree species. It is often mounted on excavators or other hydraulic equipment, allowing for easy operation in difficult terrain. Operated using hydraulic power from the carrier machine, ensuring precision and efficiency in tree cutting and harvesting. Number 7. Woodmeier SE250. The Woodmeier SE250 is a powerful stump cutter designed for professional use, offering excellent efficiency and cutting capabilities for tree care, landscaping, and rental applications. It features a 115 horsepower Origin gas engine, which enables it to grind large stumps with minimal repositioning. Its cutting dimensions are impressive, capable of cutting stumps up to 31 inches above ground and 25 inches below, with a 72-inch straight line cutting width. This allows it to remove a 6-foot wide stump without needing to reposition the machine. Number 8. Pezzolato TM1200 and TB900. The Pezzolato TM1200 and TB900 is a high-performance firewood processing system designed for large diameter logs. TM1200 is the cutting unit, which can handle logs with a maximum diameter of 1,200 mm and a length of up to 6 meters. It features a large feeding cradle, adjustable pitch feeding, and a powerful electric motor. TB900 is the splitting unit, which is capable of splitting logs with a diameter range of 300 to 900 mm. It has an automatic vertical splitting system, driven by an electric motor, and can produce firewood pieces of varying sizes. Number 9. Woodmeier 2500. The Woodmeier 2500 is a high-performance industrial sawmill designed for efficient log processing. It's a versatile machine that can be used as a standalone primary head rig or integrated into a complete sawmilling system. Equipped with a 30 HP electric motor, the WM2500 can handle logs with a maximum diameter of 41 inches and a maximum cut width of 33 inches. It's suitable for various applications, including sawing pallet boards, grade or dimensional lumber, and other wood products. Number 10. Bell 4000C. This is a heavy-duty firewood processing machine used in forestry. It features a powerful Cat C2.266 HP diesel engine, a circular saw, and various wedges for cutting firewood. It is designed for large-scale wood processing and is typically used in industrial settings. It can handle logs up to 30 feet in length and 20 inches in diameter. A hydraulic cylinder is used to push logs against the saw blade, ensuring precise and efficient cuts. A conveyor system is often included to transport processed firewood away from the machine.